Hey guys, so if you're watching this video, it's a good chance that you just received your hair unit and you are wondering, how do I put this thing on? This is an old video I did back in 2015. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to put it on and how I adjust the baby hair so that it is in place and looks as it should. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back and this is my hair without the unit on, and what I did, I just parted it in the middle so that when I part my hair on my unit, you can kind of see the scalp, even though it's not really meant to show scalp, but it can give the illusion that is your real hair because it shows a little bit of this brown scalp versus black hair. So I just braided my hair. I just braided my hair in the back and tucked it under. It's probably, you can either pull it back in a ponytail and tuck it under, or just braid it straight back. Either way, it works perfectly, but a lot of times I just get lazy and I just want to push it back and then put the hair on. Because the hair is so poofy, the little ball in the back doesn't really show. So I'm going to now put on the unit so that you can see how to apply it, and it's really simple because as you can see, if you have your unit already, it's very stretchy and it's just like a net that is made out of. So if you just put it on like you would maybe a scully or a beanie hat, then it works just the same. So you just put it on and you want to adjust it so that your ears are out, the hair is pulled down, especially in the back here. You want to make sure that it's pulled down so that you don't see anything. Pull down so you don't see anything, and then you want to just fluff it. And then the front, you want to just adjust it, especially if you have a different color hair than the unit that you purchased. You want to make sure that you adjust it so that none of your natural hair color shows through. Once you feel like it's in the right position, then you want to bobby pin it. We're just going to adjust the sides, make sure that it's secure as well as in place. So 2 is good. And the other side. Sorry, I'm rushing. I'm trying to beat the sun as well. Guys, so that's pretty much it as far as putting on the unit and securing it. Now, when you first get it, you're gonna get it with a pretty tight curls. So if you want to make it bigger and looser, just loosen it up like this. I definitely wouldn't go towards the end and like start separating the curls at the ends, because it just creates frizz. Unless you want that look, I wouldn't do that. Just focus on the root mostly and pull it apart right here, and it does exactly, you know, what I think you would want. Yeah, so just if you have a longer hair or a longer unit, you can put clips in the back or bobby pins in the back so that you can wear it up, because there will be baby hair in the back to give the illusion that it's your hair when you wear it up in a ponytail. But I'm not going to put it in the back of mine because I probably won't be putting this in a ponytail because it's so short. But yeah, this is it. Just wanted to give y'all a quick demo of how I apply the unit, and this is a complete 360 of how the unit should look. You're gonna see a little bit of the black hair in the middle. I probably didn't line it up exactly where I wanted it to, so I could show my brown scalp, but black hair, you know, whatever. You get the point. But yeah, this is it, and I hope that was helpful, and I'll do another video very shortly better video, but this is just a quick video for those who already have the unit and are completely like lost on how to wear it. They probably think it looks great on me and all my pictures, but then when they put it on, it's like, what the hell? So I know the struggle. If you want to curl your hair, there's a few methods you can use. A lot of people use hot boiling water. I would stay away from that method only because this is synthetic hair. It kind of melts it and like it makes it hard, and it just doesn't feel as nice if once you put it in boiling hot water, because it kind of just makes it, I don't know, it melts it. It just makes it really stiff, and that's probably not the texture you want. What I've been doing lately is either I use a steamer, like a clothes steamer or a hair steamer, and I put it in rollers or in aluminum foil, whatever kind of curl I want, and I steam it. The water from the steam, it's not as harsh as hot boiling water, so it works better for me. Another method that I use, which is probably the rarest method, because I use the dehydrator. It works wonderfully, but if you don't have it, then you can maybe use a blow dryer, put a plastic bag around the hair and blow it in the blow dryer. I don't know, just get creative. But the method I would not necessarily use is the boiling hot water. I just think it's gonna mess it up and it won't last as long. Or your unit won't last as long. You'll probably be tossing it out quicker than if you were not to use any extreme heat. Anyways, yes, so if you have any questions, definitely don't hesitate to hit me up. I'll put some links to my email or my social media or something so that you can get into contact with me. I want this unit to work for you. The point of this is to grow your hair out, to embrace natural looking hair or more froey afro hair versus like the straight look that we're kind of accustomed to seeing more often. Also, as you can see, when I took my hair out, I have a ton of hair. I feel like a lot of people who wear wigs are under the stereotype or the stigma that they don't have any hair, or they're bald-headed or something. I don't know, but that's not the case all the time. I wear a wig because I don't like to do my hair so much, and I have a really coarse kinky hair, and it's very time consuming, especially when I'm headed to work or out and about, and I just want to look nice and prepped and prepared and look like I didn't have a long night of rumbling and tussling with my hair. So that's why I wear the wig. I actually feel like the wig kind of helped to grow my hair because I play around with it less. I'm detangling and combing it and brushing it less. I straighten it less. So I am interested in seeing the results of that. Thank you guys for taking this journey with me and going back down this memory lane. I do miss this cut, so I may have to go back to that for a little while. But again, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do share with your friends and family, and until next time, peace.